2, 3. 12 of that will be spent in here with assembly.
This is another landmark day for the history of the university and the history of the Morrison Family College of Health. The Morrison family has stepped up time and time again to make the vision of what a mission-centered College of Health could be possible.
We want to advance really excellent education for students, to advance whole person health, and to do so in a way that generates more equity in the world. I mean, isn't that a wonderful mission?
It's incredible. The room looks a lot very close to a hospital room, and same with the home health, the apartment. It's very realistic. I'm excited to use this and to further my learning in this space.
It's very realistic, but in a lot calmer of a setting. I feel less intimidated coming in here than I do in a real hospital.
Our mother wanted to focus on the whole person, and that is one of the many things that is so special to us about the mission here, in that the students are learning to see the patient as a person, part of a family, part of a culture, and part of a community.